Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM-8 track out of a 70 Mustang Boss 302. Hey, cool car. This comes from Brian in Brewster, New York. Brian has requested the modern internal FM conversion, which also greatly increases the output power, and repair of the 8-track section as well. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I've got it set to FM at the moment, I believe. And I have all the presets set to FM stations in my area to save time. So let's just go down the line here. Okay, that one drifted a bit. We'll go back to it. Reset that one again. That wasn't a real reliable station to preset it. Okay, better luck on that one. Okay, so now we'll run down the dial manually to make sure we pick up a few more stations. These are all FM stations, of course.
With Michael. So in their past,
that we should be holy and without blame before him. And
study with students and Rewind 92.5 and 104.1 with you.
They have the situation. All right, let's go.
is that, he made that.
Getting old.
And of course, even a brand new radio will still pick up weak stations, and they'll still come in as weak.
For you, starting as low as
Yeah, we take you back in the day.
the NIH funded this.
Now back to your favorite old school jam.
Widow 2.9.
And keeps you listening for more. Whatever you're into.
Okay.
75.9.
Okay, let's go to AM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So off on. Now we're on the AM band. And we get. Okay, there's one of the weak stations we get. Should get a strong station around the middle. Okay, there's our strong AM station. While we have it on that, let's go ahead and demonstrate the.
Let's see if we can find that.
Make sure that we get all of our speakers and stuff.
Let's get it up here while we talk to Joe. Joe, given your
okay, rotate our original balance control to the right,
with special forces,
to the left,
then as a paramilitary,
all the way right,
you must have
all the way left. Okay, I'm going to center them. We
also
also have a front rear fader now. We activate our front rear fader by giving our tone control 2 turns to the right. So let's try that.
The last 10 months.
Whoops, got to turn to the center first so I got room to turn it.
Members of the Brotherhood have
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance.
Really
all the way front,
dark, and I
all the
think
way rear,
really an embarrassment to our country is the only way that I can put it. So
rear.
we started out
Okay,
the Biden
I'm
administration with
kind of center.
having to go through this purity
Stop
test.
adjusting.
Secretary of Defense
Fader set.
Fader is set. Okay,
white
let's go back to
supremacy
FM. Off on, just for fun. Okay, let's try the 8-track. That's what everybody's been waiting for. We've got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, all speakers on the 8-track. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay.